create a hue saturation adjustment layer, we want to target the yellows. So choose yellow from the drop down, just decrease the saturation and increase the lightness. And it's pretty much done. Now, if you have more than 10 seconds, you might want to refine it a little bit, because right now, if you look at it, here's the before, here's the after, it's affecting the skin as well because there's a little bit of yellow on the skin too. So select the mask, press Ctrl or Command I, take the brush white as the foreground color, just paint with a soft round brush over the teeth. You don't have to be super careful. Now, if you have more time than this, you can go back to the hue saturation properties by double clicking on the thumbnail and then go back to yellows and play with the range right here to choose what ranges of color is it affecting. If there are areas which are still yellow, you might want to adjust this. Alright, if the gums are also being affected, you might want to make it narrower. And that's how, my friend, you whiten teeth in Photoshop. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just subscribe. Ring the bell so that you don't miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.